Hey, who trying to suck my dick? Who wanna lick my dick? Where the bitches at, yeah? Oh, who that fat bitch over there? Yeah!
Who is that?
Y'all best come here and suck my dick. Hey, threesome
Well, look
or
at
what?
you with the black
Who
and white
trying to give me a
stripes.
threesome?
Did you say threesome?
Who trying to lick my dick and eat my butt out?
Let's go.
Y'all some bitches, yeah?
Let's go back to my spot. Who's that black and white horse? The fuck is that? Motherfucker, come over here. Don't ever try to suck that nigga's dick again. You understand? Look at my butt.
Who that bitch ass nigga, yeah? He a big ass cock blocky. I hate that nigga, so I'm gonna put that.
It's alright, man. He's the boss around here. Just because he's tall.